everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and today is a crock pot meal. It is a gluten-free mac and cheese in the crock pot done by Gluten-Free on a Shoestring, I think is the website, but we'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box below. My mom made this over Thanksgiving, and there was a lot of people in our family having to eat gluten-free, and it turned out amazing. It's like a custard type consistency for a mac and cheese, but it was perfect. The noodles were not overdone. You'll see in the video, but you guys should give this one a try, especially if you have to eat gluten-free. It was delicious, and I was there at Thanksgiving, and Mom even gave me a dry macaroni, because you know I love those so much. But anyway, hopefully you guys had a great holiday, and we're now looking forward to Christmas, so maybe you could use this for that, or just any day you want mac and cheese. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. As Yoda said, we're making a slow cooker mac and cheese. So it's going to be on low, the slow cooker. It's gluten-free. And I'll put a link to the original recipe below. We used, who is this? Red Mill, Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour, gluten-free. And then we're making a recipe and a half of this. So we have cream in there. It is the non-dairy silk cream. So we used 2 1/8 cups of that, because again, I'm 1.5ing this recipe, not doubling it completely based on the amount of gluten-free pasta I have. And then we're doing sea salt. So it was 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. It was 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. You're supposed to have smoked. I'm here at a cabin, so I got to work with what they got. So they have regular paprika. So that's 1.5 teaspoons of that. And then you whisk it all together. And then we're going to add some eggs. So for the egg, we're going to use my vegan Just Egg made from plants. And we're going to put that in there next. Remember, it's 3 tablespoons of Just Egg to equal 1. Okay, so we added 4.5 cups of milk, because again, I'm doing 1.5. So this is non-dairy coconut milk, unsweet. We whisked that in there after we poured everything into the slow cooker that we had made already. Now we're gonna add our elbow macaroni. We're using Albertsons gluten-free elbow macaroni. 2 of those boxes, that's why I'm doing 1.5 recipe. And then we'll do 3 3/4 cups of cheese and mix that together. Okay, so here's what you do. You put a cheese layer on the top after you mix in your cheese, which we did 3 1/4 cups, with your pasta and your liquids. So we did that, and then you put a last layer of cheese on top. Since I'm doing a recipe and a half, it's a cup of cheese that we put on top. Then you're gonna cover your slow cooker, put it on low for 2 to 3 hours, but you gotta watch it. And when the noodles start to expand and you know they're done, you take it out. For some people, it's 1.5 hours. For other people, it's 2 hours. So we're gonna watch it. All right, it's done. It was 2.5 hours, and we moved it to high after 2 hours. But look, this is what it looks like. It's all the noodles are done, and it's a custardy consistency is what the recipe says. So I'm gonna stir it up to get all the cheese mixed in. Because when you use dairy-free cheese, it melts, but it does not like brown or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir it, but that's it. Enjoy.